Awesome. It's working great. Beautiful. Is that about 340? Let me give it another 5 or 10, and that'll be a full preheat. There's the temp, about 375 after 15 minutes. Just to be clear, this is the surface temperature of the copper. This is the air temp. Watt draw in the oven, by the way, pretty low, just 135 to 155. Uses less when it's closed because it's surrounded by all the heat, so it doesn't have to work as hard to maintain the temp of the copper. Nice even heat all the way across. All 6 elements burning strong. Beautiful. Totally awesome. Let me give you a quick shot now of how the racks go in. By the way, the wood's good to 450 and this only gets to 375. And the wires are good to 400, so we're all good there. Don't worry about the wood or anything. It just gets warm, but nothing else. By the way, this thing is super easy to put together. It's really just the metal bread box, the 6 heating elements, 2 pieces of copper, and then the supports for both the oven racks and the heating pad, or the heating plate. Along with your extension cord wires, a couple of bricks, and a power supply. That's everything. And that's it. I'll show you how to do it, but let me show you some of the cooking first. Alright, let's just do a couple basic things at first. So I'm going to start by just melting some butter in a little metal ramekin. And then we'll move up from there. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Perfect. (210, 246 max, 99 Celsius, 119.2). That's pretty hot. It's been about 35 minutes. (70.8, 159 Fahrenheit). That's perfect. Alright, it's been 2.5 hours, so that should be enough. Looks good. I'm just checking everywhere. Check that out. Came out fantastic. melted cheese, salt and pepper, a lot of butter. Super easy build, by the way. Just drop the elements on, grab your high heat tape, tape them down, then grab the square 1-inch dowels, space them out, drop on the heating plate, and drop the other piece of copper on top. Just drop this on like this, kind of line it up. By the way, those are 1/4 inch holes. Now let's do the power cords. Okay, it's all wired up. And that's it. It's all wrapped up. All set to go. Note that these elements are the hottest near the wires or the top of the element. Another cool thing about this oven is all the racks, all the wood and everything fits in there, even the thermometers for storage. Just for the heck of it, I dropped a heat-powered stove fan on there. That should be going in probably a minute or so. So that'll pick up all the heat coming off that copper plate and blow it forward. Pretty neat.